Hello from Anderson, Texas, in the Bryan-College Station area, home to Texas A&M University, where I did not go, but actually most of my family members went at one point or another from undergrad to PhD. Anyway, we are here in a home of, or in a neighborhood of tiny homes. As you can see, this is Unit 1. This is the house we are renting right now as an Airbnb for a little road trip, vacation this week. And my beautiful new Tesla Model X. This is Taminator 2. Unfortunately, I got into a car accident recently and totaled the original Taminator, which was very sad. But as you can see, there are several tiny homes in this neighborhood, each one looking a little bit different, really charming, cozy places. And they're actually not that tiny. Some of them, may be smaller than others. I think our unit looks, I don't know, it looks a little bit bigger than these units here. But yeah, our unit actually feels more like a townhome that has all the spaces and bedrooms that you would usually find. It's just kind of in a more compact, efficient layout. So I want to take you inside for a look. We're surrounded by farmland. You saw at the beginning there a gate with a cattle guard, on the ground. And we're right next to a highway, so it's a little bit noisy, but we really don't hear that much of it inside. So let me quickly walk us back over here. This is a gravel road. There is space for two cars to park out front. I'm here with my family. My husband is shooting the video, and our two sons, ages 6 and 1, who are inside playing right now. The 6-year-old is great about watching his little brother and keeping him safe. So yeah, we can just walk right up here and take the steps up to the front porch. And you can see beyond there is more farmland. So this is really rural, kind of Texas country. We're out in the county, and my Texas drawl is starting to come out. Okay, so let's come on in. Hi! Don't go out now. Well, here we are. This is Sky. And there's Shay up on the ladder. So when I saw this, I'm going to take my shoes off here because we're Asian and we wear slippers. When I saw this listing on Airbnb, I thought it was so charming and so fun and so cute. And I found a couple of other listings, one with a goat on site actually, but I showed the pictures, oh no, to Shay. And of all of them, he decided that this one was his favorite because he likes luxury. And this one definitely has some luxury finishes inside. And yeah, so here we are in the main space, okay? So as you can see, it's a 2-story with this cute ladder. I thought this was fun too, because you just don't see this every day, going up to the loft. No, he can't go up the ladder. All right, so this is the living area, okay? Where we've got the kids playing with their toys. Let's get rid of the shoe. And because there's no dining area and there's no table, no island, you've got these folding tables in the corner that we've been using to eat on. And yeah, so this is just, a perfect little area. It's, it is open. It feels very connected from upstairs to downstairs into the bedroom and the bathroom. So you feel really good with a family like this, that you're just very connected to each other. So stainless steel appliances here, a really nice Whirlpool fridge, Samsung range and microwave, modern, nice. They've decorated with a lot of things from Target, but really nice finishes and colors and just the overall style. These cabinets actually are similar color as a lot of the cabinets in our home back in Houston. Now this sink is something new. Okay, this is really cool. It's almost like over the top. Could be gimmicky, but let me show you all the different things that it can do. So once you've turned it on, you can do this like smooth waterfall faucet thing. Then this is a glass rinser. Woo! And then you have the normal faucet with the sprayer. And you see how it's kind of a spiral configuration. And then you also have this, whoa, fruit and vegetable rinse waterfall thing. And then, filtered water, the built-in hand soap. And so, yeah, I think that's, it's just a little bit of a novelty. We are staying here, so, we do have our things about, but we are neat and tidy. So you're seeing that. Here's the bathroom, really nice long countertop, nice style with the fixtures and the hardware and the mirror. and then linen cabinets here. They've got backstock locked away in this cabinet. So it's got plenty of cabinetry where they can store things here and still have enough for guests to use. I will say that they were very thoughtful about storage and features that are very practical for families. So there's 4 towel hooks, which is perfect because we are a family of 4. Obviously, if we have more people, then it's going to be a lot, but that's going to be too many towel hooks. And so we've got, ledges up and down for things, toiletries in the back. And this is kind of a plastic type of surround on this tub that makes it look like subway tiles, but they are not ceramic or porcelain tiles. Okay. Hey, little guy. And we have matte black hardware. Let me take you into the bedroom before we go upstairs. So I love this console table. It's shallow, but you can put just, the right amount of things, and it looks really nice and modern. And you've got the little stool that goes underneath. So yes, really like that. King bed in the bedroom. I just hastily made the bed, whatever. And really cute the way that they put the mirror up and the little, lamp on the nightstand, and, the tasteful artwork. You've got a storage closet that's locked for their purposes, the host purposes. You've got the stackable washer and dryer there, and this nice walk-in closet. That's just big enough to put, what you need. They've got lots of extra pillows and linens throughout the home. All right, so now we should start to head upstairs. Ooh, you grabbed something you were not supposed to. Let me take that from you, little baby. Okay, no. All right, so Daddy, you start to climb up those stairs.
Mom, I let that truck was right there, and I got him to climb, and we were on the second step.
Okay.
With my supervision.
All right, so Daddy is climbing up the stairs, or the ladder. And the ladder is hooked on to that bar. All right, and then I'm going to hand off the phone so that he can show you the upstairs. There's 2 twin beds up there, vaulted ceiling with a beam and this huge bean bag off to the side, which is really fun for kids. And so our older one, Shay, slept up here last night. Now, the baby gate is there. However, there's no baby gate at the bottom of the ladder, and Sky has already tried to climb up the ladder. He made it up a few rungs under our supervision, but he would have definitely gone all the way up to the top. I'm pretty sure of it, if we had let him continue. So anyway, that's it. Just wanted to show you this fun little Airbnb tiny house. This is our first experience in a tiny house. But again, like I said, it's not that tiny. A real tiny house would probably be just the size of this first floor area, right? The bed would be here and everything. We did see some other listings like that. And we're out in the country. So this is a fun, unique experience for us. And so a great way to reconnect with family and kind of be out here where it's a little bit slower and not as much to do. So we can play some games and just spend some time together. So definitely an idea for a future vacation for you, perhaps. And thank you for watching Smarter Real Estate, weekly on Wednesdays. Oh, I didn't even say my name at the beginning. It's Julie Tam, managing broker of LYN Realty in Houston. And I thank you for watching. Please leave me a comment and do subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this and not miss an episode. Have a great week. Bye-bye.